When you search for pressure washer hoses, they all look the same. Black or green, same fittings, same PSI claims. But the real difference isn't in the photos or the specs list, it's in how they handle real-world kinks, leaks in cold weather. Let's cut through the noise and find the ones that actually last.
Product number 1, Yamamatic 50-foot 3200 PSI hose. The Yamamatic 50-foot pressure washer hose. Right away, what stands out is the OEM-grade polyvinyl build in solid brass M22 14mm fittings. At $26.99, it's priced right in the mid-range, and with over 4,000 bought recently, it's clearly popular. If you want a reliable replacement hose that won't break the bank and works with most gas and electric washers, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3200 PSI rating means it handles most residential gas washers under 7.5 horsepower without breaking a sweat. The 1/4 inch inner diameter ensures strong water flow, and the kink-resistant design really works. I've used it on driveway jobs where I was constantly moving around and it stayed flat and flowing. The brass fittings are thick and don't wobble, so you won't get leaks at the connection point. Plus, it's lightweight at 3.6 pounds, making it easier to drag around than heavier rubber hoses. Now, some people complained about it getting stiff in cold weather. Here's the thing though, that's normal for polyvinyl hoses. The company even mentions it in the tech tips. It hardens in the cold but softens back up when it warms. If you're using it in winter, just store it indoors or let it sit in the sun for a bit. It's not a flaw, it's physics. This is perfect for you if you're replacing a worn-out hose on a Ryobi, Troy-Bilt, or Greenworks washer and want something durable without overspending. Skip this one if you need extreme cold weather flexibility or plan to use it with high horsepower commercial units. For the price and performance, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Yamamatic 25-foot 3200 PSI hose. The shorter version, the Yamamatic 25-foot hose, also at 3200 PSI, priced at $22.99. It's the budget pick if you don't need full reach. With 3,000 plus sold recently, it's clear that many people prefer a lighter, more manageable hose for smaller jobs. If you're cleaning cars or patios and don't want to drag around extra length, this is a smart choice. The 25-foot length makes it way easier to handle. At just 2.4 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than the 50 FT version. And the kink-resistant polymer construction lays flat without coiling up. The M22 14mm brass fittings are the same high quality, so you get the same leak-free connection. It's rated for both gas and electric washers, and the 1/4 inch diameter keeps pressure consistent. For quick driveway touch-ups or washing your car, this hose gives you just enough reach without the hassle. One downside, the shorter length means you'll need to move your washer more often on large jobs. Some users also expected it to work with Karcher or Stanley models, but it's only compatible with M22 threaded systems. Here's the thing though, if you check your washer's fitting first, this isn't an issue. It's clearly labeled, so it's more about doing your homework than a product flaw. This is perfect for you if you have a compact setup or only tackle small outdoor cleaning tasks. Skip this one if you're tackling big driveways or decks and need extended reach. At under $23, it's a great value for light-duty use.
Product number 3, PWACCS 50-foot 3600 PSI hose. If the Yamamatic's 3200 PSI felt a bit limiting, the PWACCS 50-foot hose steps it up with a 3600 PSI rating. At $35.99, it's pricier, but you get extra adapters and a non-marking green polyurethane jacket. With 2,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction among users who want more versatility. If you need higher pressure tolerance and extra fittings, this one's worth considering. The standout feature is the included adapter kit, 5 pieces total, including couplers and quick connect converters. That means you can connect 2 hoses together or adopted different nozzle types without buying extras. The polyurethane outer layer resists scuffs and stains, so it won't leave marks on your driveway or deck. It's also 50% lighter than rubber hoses, making it easier to pull across large areas. The 3600 PSI rating gives you headroom for more powerful washers, and the protective end caps prevent bending damage. Some users reported the green color fades after months in the sun. Here's the thing though, that's cosmetic. The material underneath is still solid and the performance doesn't drop. It's not a durability issue, just a visual one. Also, the PVC inner core is strong, but not as flexible as hybrid polymers in extreme cold. This is perfect for you if you want a high-pressure hose with adapter flexibility for multiple tools. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need the extra connectors. For the added features, it's a fair price.
Product number 4, FlexZilla 50-foot Zilla Green hose. That was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be the most impressive, the FlexZilla 50-foot in Zilla Green. At $53.92, it's the most expensive here, but it's made in the USA and built like a tank. With 2,000 plus sold, it's clear that people trust FlexZilla for real performance. If you want a hose that stays flexible in any weather, this is it. The flexible hybrid polymer material is the star here. It stays pliable from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're washing your car in winter or cleaning a hot patio in summer, it won't stiffen or crack. The integrated bend restrictor prevents kinking at the fittings, and the M22 connectors are rated for 4,000 PSI, way beyond the hose's 3,100 PSI limit. That means the fittings won't fail before the hose does. It's also surprisingly lightweight at 3.6 pounds, despite the rugged build. The main complaint? Price. Some users expect premium performance at mid-tier cost. Here's the thing though, this hose is built for long-term use. If you pressure wash regularly, the durability justifies the cost. Cheaper hoses might save you $20 now, but cost more in replacements. This is perfect for you if you live in a cold climate or want a hose that lasts years without cracking. Skip this one if you only wash once in a while and don't need extreme flexibility. For serious users, it's worth the investment.
Product number 5, Hourly 50FT 3600 PSI hose. The Hourly 50FT hose at $32.99. It looks similar to the PWACS, but with a higher burst pressure, 9,000 PSI, and a super flexible PVC build. With 2,000 plus sold, it's a strong contender for those who want safety margin and ease of use. If you want a hose that won't kink and can handle accidental overpressure, this one delivers. The 9,000 PSI burst rating is a huge safety plus. Even though it's rated for 3,600 PSI working pressure, that extra buffer means it won't blow if there's a sudden pressure spike. The green PVC is highly flexible and resists abrasion, so it glides over rough surfaces without snagging. It also comes with 5 adapters, including quick connect options, making it compatible with a wide range of nozzles and extensions. The 1/4 inch diameter ensures strong flow, and the lightweight design reduces arm fatigue. One downside, the fittings are brass but not as heavy duty as FlexZilla's. Some users noticed slight wobble after months of use. Here's the thing though, for residential use, it's still reliable. Just don't over-tighten them and they'll hold up fine. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible, high-safety hose with adapter versatility. Skip this one if you need industrial-grade fittings or extreme cold performance. For most homeowners, it's a smart balance of price and protection.
So which one should you get? The Yamamatic 50 PSIT is the best overall value for most people. The 25 PSIT version is great for small jobs. The PWACCS offers the most adapters. FlexZilla wins for extreme flexibility and durability, and the Hourly gives you the highest burst safety. Pick based on your washer, climate, and how much you use it. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions below and I'll help you pick the right one.